Okay, so quickly, so this one, I'm gonna start with a base view. Click on base view, and I'm gonna select the model. So yeah, the main model, and I'm gonna select, yeah, in this case, visible and hidden edges, and I'm gonna do a 1 by 1, and it will look like this. This is the front view. I'm gonna click on the front view, and just press OK. But I want to do this for individual parts. So what I'll do is, you can see if I click on it, the sketch is open. So I'm gonna toggle off the post one and the top block. And you can see I'm only left with the bottom block, just like in the drawing. So from this one, I'm going to go here to projected view. And this is why the ASME is easier, because it already does the third angle projection. So if I go up, I already have, the top view. I go right, I already have the right view. Press OK, and boom, I don't have to insert every single individual view. And also, if I was here, if I was in projected view, I can, always also include the isometric view over here. So this one, I just want to change it to the shaded, the edges. There we go. And the other ones are good, just like this. So now, of course, you guys know how to dimension them, right? You guys know the dimension and everything. In this case, don't forget to add the center line. So click on those two lines, because it represents, that there's the cylinder right there, the cut, and the geometry center mark, to mark those. And then everything else, of course, you guys know how to dimension the parts, just like the drawing. And I made some notes about the scale. In this case, once again, the one that I was the ISO. So let's just change some of the things real quick. So in this case, this title, this will be, you continue with block assembly. We can maybe change the title 3 here, or, it's up to you. But maybe, I guess, in this case, I'm going to write, bottom block week 4. And from over here, title 3, I'm going to say just block assembly, just like a subtitle. All right, and still the same drawing number, sheet 202. We can write the weight, right? Because this is an individual part. So what was the weight for this one? So just quickly, let me just check. What was the weight for the bottom part? I think you guys will have it. It will be good for you to check it. So the bottom weight, the bottom block, it's mass, right? It's essentially, it's asking its mass. It's 309.67 79. So 309. So just click over here. Weight, so 309.679 grams. Of course, we can round up a little bit, but at least for now, this is good. So that way, it's it's helpful to know what its weight is. I might ask you this in some of the, once again, the projects, the drawings. And approved by, checked by, you can change some of this if you want to put my name on it, because I basically approve them. There's no need for the code or things like that, but you can see we're still having the view ME 407 here. We'll finish the properties, and just continue adding the dimensions. You can make a new page and do that for the next parts, which is the top block and the bottom block. And of course, you can add notes. You have my examples there. And don't forget to add, I guess, before we finish, let's just add the note here of the material. So the material, click note, this will be material, right? And this will be steel, what was it? ASI 1020 107 HR. That's basically the strength, the 107 HR scale. I think that's the one that we have. Just showing you that it is, and we're saying, of course, that all dimensions, so all dimensions in millimeters, right? So I don't know why I have 2 of those, but you guys can fix that in yours. So go ahead and, all right, that's fine. For now, I'm going to keep that. You can, of course, add that to yours to make it look like mine. All right, so that's it for the videos. Hopefully they've been helpful. So this is just the first assignment. There will be 2 assignments, hopefully. But it's pretty straightforward. Follow along, and if you have any questions, you can always let me know. All right. Thank you, guys.